Hello friends, welcome to Famous Tech. This is Samsung Galaxy A51 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take a slow motion video on your phone Samsung Galaxy A51. First of all, open camera on your phone. Go to camera of your phone here. Now click on more button and here select slow motion. Now start recording your video. While recording, it will be like a normal video. I stop the video and I want to play this video. Play it. Click allow and see the action. After a few seconds, slow motion starts. Yes, the action is in slow motion. So in this way you can easily take a slow motion video on your phone Samsung Galaxy A51. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.